Hello, my dear children. A very good morning to you. Yes, welcome back to Journal English class. Journal English means English Primer. And today we are going to learn lesson number 31. Yes, in this lesson we are going to learn about he and his. Yes, so listen it carefully. Our topic is use of he and his, he and his. Yes, children. So, what is the spelling of he? He. Now, we will see when we use he. Yes, he is used for. He is used for means when we use he. Yes, see the examples. We use he for a man. Yes, you can use he for any male. Yes, man you can use for your daddy, your grandfather. Yes, next one is for boy. Yes, for boy also we use he. Yes, and next one is father, father. We use he for father or man or boy. Grandfather, grand, grand, father, father. So we use he for man, boy, father, grandfather. Yes, and for uncle and for brother, uncle, uncle, and brother, brother. So we use he for this many people. Yes, means all male. Girls are called female and boys are called male. So we use he for man, boy, father, grandfather, uncle or brother. Yes, understood? Let's go ahead. Now we will see some example. He is Rajesh. Rajesh. The Rajesh is the name of this boy. So we are using he for Rajesh. Yes, because Rajesh is a boy. So he is Rajesh. Next one is he and his sister go to SCHOOL school. See children, we already learned about he. Now with he means with the male person, we use his. His. Yes, he, his. Come on, you have to say it 5 times. We use he for a male. He, his. He, his. Yes, like this you have to say and remember these things. Yes, so he and his sister go to school. So this is the boy and this sister is belong to this boy. That's why we are using his sister. Yes, he and his sister go to school. Next one is he, DOES, does all his work. He does all his work. He is doing homework. Yes. So, he does all his work. With the male, with the boy, with the father, with the grandfather, always we are using his. He, his. Yes, children. So, he does all his work. He is eating with his family. Yes, this family is belong to this boy. So that's why we are saying his family. Yes. So he is eating with his family. They are taking lunch and we are using he for this boy. And this boy belong to this family. So he is eating with his family. Yes. Next one is he plays with his sister. Yes, here you can see one boy is playing with one girl. So that girl is belong to this boy. This girl is a sister of this boy. So we use for boy we use he. He plays with his sister. Yes, understood? Next one is he, S-H-A-R-E-S, shares his ball with H-I-S, his, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Yes, he shares his ball with his friends. So we use he for this boy, and this boy is sharing ball with his friend. So these all friends are belong to this boy. So we are using he, his. Yes. Next one is he is Ali and he likes to play football. He is Ali and he like to play football. Yes, children. So he we use for this boy. Yes, he. Here we cannot use Ali again. Instead of Ali, we are using he. Yes. He is Ali. We can write Ali like to play with football, but we are not using Ali because Ali is a boy. So for boy we are using he. Yes. Next one is Mr. Ahmed is a doctor. This doctor name is Mr. Ahmed, and Mr. Ahmed name is boy or girl? Boy. Yes, male. So for that we are using he is doctor. We can say Mr. Ahmed is a doctor, but we can say like this also, he is a doctor. So he is used for this doctor. Yes. Meet Mr. Asim. Meet Mr. Asim. This man name is Mr. Asim and he is a singer. He is a singer. So Mr. Asim is singer, but Mr. Asim is a male. Yes, man. So we use he is a singer. Yes, for all the male we use he and his. He is Sam. He is Sam. Sam is a boy. That's why we use this is his pencil. This pencil belong to this boy. So we are using he is Sam. He we use for this boy, for Sam, and this pencil we are saying this is his pencil. Yes. Next one is this is his kite. One boy is flying kite. He is Jai and name of this boy is Jai. So Jai, instead of Jai we say he. He is Jai. And what is Jai doing? Jai is flying kite and this is his kite. This kite belong to Jai. For Jai we use he and his kite. Yes. He is my father. He is my father. For father, what I taught you? We use he. This is his bag. You can see one bag. Yes. So this is his bag. Means this bag belong to father. For father we use he and for bag is father's bag. So that's why we are saying this is his bag. Yes. Remember, he is used for boy, man, father, grandfather, uncle. Means all male and female. Male means this all. Yes. So we use he and his for male. Yes, children. So my dear children, I hope you understood this lesson and you have to remember this thing. You have to fix in your mind. For all the man we use he and his. So learn this lesson. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.